everybody, welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be making coconut curry Thai chicken. Cue the music. Well, thanks a lot for watching. If this is your first time tuning into our channel, please go down to the right corner down there and hit the subscribe button and then hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Well, like I said, we're going to be making coconut curry Thai chicken, so let's head into the kitchen here and see what our ingredients are. We're going to start out with a couple boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I've already took the liberty of cutting up for this demonstration. We've got a couple zucchini, a bell pepper, an onion, about a teaspoon of ginger out of this root, and then 2 cloves of garlic. And then of course 2 tablespoons of some curry paste, a 16-ounce can of coconut milk, and some coconut oil to start cooking all this stuff up. So I'm gonna grab the pan, let's head into the kitchen and start cooking this wonderful dish. Alright, so I got a pan at about medium-high heat. We have got our coconut oil here. Remember, it is a pretty thick oil, so you got to sometimes zap it in the microwave to get it to get back to oil consistency. I'm going to add probably 2 tablespoons in here. The pan is hot, so we're going to go ahead and add our chicken. Now I cut this chicken up while it was still a little bit frozen too. So if you do that, be careful adding it in because you don't want to get splattered. Alright, we'll cover that up. We're going to let this cook while we go over here and cut up our vegetables. Alright, I've got our zucchini, our peppers, and our onion. And I'm going to go ahead and just break these down and get them in the bowl, get them all ready for our cook here. But I want to go ahead and explain. You saw the chunks of chicken that I cut up. I want to cut the chicken, I want to cut the vegetables in pretty much the same size. Not only for cooking purposes, but also for aesthetics. It'll look nice in the dish because they're all the same size. And when you go to eat it, you won't get a big piece of this and a big piece of that. They'll all be the same size. So that's what we're doing. I'm just cutting all these up into medium size. Now on the zucchini, you can do it a different way. You can cut like that, you know, if you want to. I'm going to go ahead and do it in a semi-cut like that and then make it that size. I think it'll cook quicker that way. Kind of a semi-cut. So that's in there too. Now I'm just going to do up our aromatics here with the ginger. We have all of our vegetables cut in here, onions, pepper, and zucchini. And we got our ginger and our fresh garlic in that one. And the reason I've got these separated is because we're gonna add the aromatics last to impart the most effective flavor once these have hit a certain point in the cook. So let's head back over to our pan. All right, I'm taking the lid off of this. Let's see where our chicken is. Got a little bit of color on there, I like that. Still got some raw parts on there. I'm going to go ahead and let this continue to cook. Alright, I took the chicken out of the pan. You can see it back here. It's fully cooked. I took it out because we're going to add our vegetables now. Our onions, celery, our onions, peppers, and zucchini. And we are going to just cook this down for about 6 to 8 minutes in that coconut oil on medium-high heat. Okay, it's been about 8 minutes now. I'm going to take the lid off here. Peppers are softening up. Zucchini's starting to soften up as well. I'm going to go ahead and add our aromatics in here. We're going to stir this up for about a minute. And then we're going to go on to our next step, which is to add the chicken. Let's go ahead and stir this up about a minute. Oh yeah, you can smell that garlic. Add our chicken. Turn the heat down just a touch. And our red pepper, our red Thai curry paste, about 2 tablespoons. And our can of coconut milk. I'm going to stir this up first. Get all those flavors spread throughout the dish before we add our milk. Oh, I don't even want to add the milk. This looks so good. It smells fantastic. Get this all mixed up. So I'm going to go ahead and let this bring up to a boil and let it simmer for just a little bit, okay? We'll transition back into a nice shot of that simmering. Alright, I got some fresh basil I'm throwing in here as well. It's not in the directions, but basil is very, very popular in Thai cooking, so I added that. Alright, we are going to let this simmer up a little bit. I got some rice cooking over there in our rice pot. We're going to plate this up, make it look really nice. Take some awesome photos of it for social media. Find some groovy music to lay underneath those photos. And then we're going to come back and we're going to taste this. Enjoy the music, enjoy those pictures. Okay, there it is. Boy, this smells fantastic. I can't wait to try. The chicken is tender, peppers are done, zucchini's done. I added a little bit of green onion on top of the rice there, some spiralized carrots and some cucumber, and then red pepper flakes on top, just for garnish purposes. But we're going to go to the next shot. We're going to transition through this, set up the camera on a tripod. We're going to give this a taste. Alright, here is the masterpiece here. Get that into focus. Smells fantastic. We'll go a little chicken first here. Tastes exactly like it's supposed to. Creaminess of that coconut milk, the heat of that curry paste, the chicken's tender. Let's see what the basil in there imparts a nice little bit of flavor as well with that ginger and garlic. Oh, very good. Very good. I'm going to clean up this mess I got here in the kitchen. We are going to eat this for lunch. Well, I don't know who we is because the dog's not getting any of it. But very good. Coconut curry Thai chicken. Very good. Recipe is down in the description box, along with a lot of other goodies that I've got down there. I have a ton of links. Check them out. You might find something you enjoy. Thanks a lot for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Please give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and comment down below. Let us know what you think. And then share this video and this channel with everybody that you know. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.